Hello friends, in this video I will be discussing how can you convert the text to speech in an easy way. So we will be using clickchamp.com. So this is the website that is providing the video editing services for free. So we have to click on try for free, and after that we can use our account in the form of Microsoft account, Google account, Facebook, and you can also use your email. So once we have logged in, so we will be landed on this page. So we have to click for on make a video, and after that we will be landed on this page. So it is providing some features. You can use this easy video editing service for making the video, but we have to click on record and create, and couple of option here: screen and camera recording, screen recording, and we have to click on text to speech. So there are 70 languages to choose from and 170 voices to choose from, and we can also modify the speech speed. So it includes the voices of male, female, neutral, and of all ages persons. So we have to choose as per our need and as per our requirement. So once we have provided the text and once we have chosen the voice, so here we have to click on preview.
The metaverse, the most significant emerging tech trend of modern times, is set to elevate this experience to the next level.
So it looks awesome. So we can also get the voice of female so that we can check how does it work. So here is a preview for that.
The metaverse, the most significant emerging tech trend of modern times, is set to elevate this experience to the next level.
Now it looks awesome. So we can also mix match the languages to the voice as per our requirement. We can also put some pause in the voice with the help of period, comma, and ellipses to suit the pause in the voices. So this is how it works, and we can also customize it as per our need. And once we have clicked to save to media, so it will be here, and we have to drag it to the timeline, and we can also click on this plus icon. So once it is added to the timeline, we can easily export this to MP4 format with 1080 format, and it will start rendering the video to MP4 format. So once it is done, you can save this file on your laptop easily. So after that, we have to use the file converter, because the file that we have saved is in the MP format. We can easily strip out the audio format with the help of this cloud converter. So we have to choose the audio format. I am choosing the wave. You can choose as per your requirement, and after that we have to click convert. So it will take some time, and after that we have converted it, and we can easily download the file. And we have the full privileges on this audio file, and we can use it in our videos, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, wherever we want. We can use this audio file. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and you can also consider subscribing my channel so that you won't miss any future video.